Hello, and welcome to the Marq training video for logging in and navigation. In this video, we will walk through the process of your first Marq login and navigate the homepage. When we're done, you'll be ready to dive in with your first project. To begin, let's look at an invitation email. Here, you'll either be prompted to set your password or open up Marq. This is dependent on whether or not your organization is using a preset password, single sign-on, or is asking you to create your own. The password reset process is straightforward and quick. Note that your admin team may have a specific password requirement set for the account. Now that we've logged in, let's explore the platform. Your first time logging in, you should see a screen that looks very much like this. Note, you likely won't see any of these thumbnails in the center screen. These represent recent projects that you've worked on, and until you've started some, there won't be any there. Let's take a quick tour around the navigation page, and then we'll talk about how to find your way through Marq. Note, when you first log in, you'll have this drop-down that shows helpful resources, links to what's new, as well as videos and courses. We can close that out with the X, or reopen it with a question mark if need be. We should see our name or email in the bottom left-hand corner, and we may see that our organization has customized the Marq logo placement to represent their own. We'll navigate everywhere we go in the platform down this left-hand navigation bar, and we'll talk about each of those tabs in just a moment. But for now, let's look at the center screen and what each of the options represent. As we mentioned before, the center row are recent projects that you've worked on or opened previously. We can immediately mouse over those and open them to begin editing and customizing them further. Starred represents any templates that we've marked as favorites or stars. These are templates we'd want to go back to quickly or open up right away. Popular is unique in that it doesn't reflect documents or templates you have worked on individually, but rather reflects which templates have been most popular across your entire team. That is, everyone tied to this Marq account. A couple of other important items found on the home page. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the question mark, which will drop down the resource menu. The alert icon, which will tell you anytime the system has a communication for you, whether a document's been approved, you have comments waiting, or a new project's been shared with you. Finally, we can click on the New Project button to immediately open up the editor and start a new project. Now, let's look at the navigation bar. One of the early tips I always like to give is that the three lines up here at the top left will open or close the navigation bar. This will make it easier as you work through the platform to know exactly where you're headed. We're of course on the home page now, which again reflects our recent projects, options for starred and popular as well. My projects are where all your private copies of the collateral you're working on are going to live. Any copies you make from templates, any new projects you start will live here. My images is where you'll go to upload any images you'd like to make use of, or where you'll find images that have been shared with you from your design or admin team. Templates are where you're going to go to find all of the pre-designed collateral, either through your organization or the thousands of templates made available to you through Marq. Here you'll make copies that become your projects and can start customizing them. Brand assets are where you'll find all the collateral your design or marketing team has uploaded for you, including brand colors, fonts, any templates or headings that will be appropriate for your documents will live here in brand assets. Data automation is one of our advanced features where the account owner can tie a single Google account to bring in Google Sheets to automatically populate information in specific templates or documents. Look for more information on this in a future advanced features video. Cart is where you'll go to check on any print orders you have pending. Note your admin team has the ability to turn on or off print orders, but if you partner with us and have our print partner, Alexander's, you'll be able to check and review those orders here under Cart. You'll never see the Restore Admin feature. That's a function of me impersonating an account on the back end, so don't worry about that. The last option is probably the most useful here on the homepage that I'm going to show you, and that's the link to our Help Center or Resource Library. If we click on that, it's going to open a new tab where we can search for any tools or features we want to use on the platform, as well as scroll down about halfway to see training videos, courses, and other services available through Marq. This is an extremely useful tool that will help guide you through learning to use the platform. And there you have our introduction tour to the navigation and homepage of Marq. In future videos, we'll look how to create and copy templates and start building our own projects. Until then, happy creating.